In Culinary Essentials, we learn about all basic kitchen skills, including basic knife cuts, soups, sauces, and cookies. We learn about employment opportunities in the hospitality and tourism industry. We have the opportunity to earn the Serve Safe Food Handler certification.
In ProStart 1 and 2, we expand on what we learn in Culinary Essentials. We study advanced cooking methods, sauce, meats, poultry, seafood, and baking and pastry skills. We have the opportunity to compete in state culinary and management competition with WestyVCA, and we operate the only student-run food truck in the state of Colorado. We can earn the Serve Safe Manager and ProStart Certificate of Achievement. Plus, we earn 3 college credits for each year of ProStart.